Build a better life. This is a quick thought from my personal transformation course. Build a better life. Alan Kay said, the only way that you can predict the future is to build it. When it comes to your life, how do you build a better life? You build a better life by building a better you. Think about that. And think about how you think about things. Do you mainly have positive thoughts? Or do you mainly think negative thoughts? Something to think about. Here is something so vital for all of us to understand. The most meaningful relationship we will ever have in our lives is the one we have with ourselves. Why is that? Because a positive relationship with oneself serves as the blueprint for fulfilling our purpose and manifesting our personal destiny. Emerson said that the only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I drop another video. Thank you so much.